Good morning once again, and you are welcome back to Internet Arena. And if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel and like the video as well. If you are a subscriber already too, you're welcome back. Okay, so I think I've already made a video about this site actually, but I lost access to that account. So this is a new account, and we are going to learn how you can create an account and get verified in the same day. Okay, so I guess many of you know about this site. It is called NATIONTON Republic. Okay, so it works with your mobile money. Okay, so all you need to do, all what is on the site is it's a referral program. Okay, and you can start with 10 cities, 50 cities, 100 cities, or 102 Ghana cities. Okay, so this is a little description about what we actually do on the site. Okay, so you can see the number one cities register with 10 cities, 50, 100, or 102 cities. With you get access to our premium product more than 10,000 per individual. Okay, so and you enjoy NATIONTON Republic services. Okay, so this one, if you are a business person too, I recommend this site for you. Okay, so you can actually post your products. Let's say you sell sneakers, you sell bags, ladies bags, shoes and whatever. You can just after creating your account, you can just go ahead and post your products on the site. Okay, so if someone is interested, the person will just chat you straight away. Okay, so you can invite friends. Okay, after signing up, you will get your referral link, which when you send to everyone and the person clicks on it, you're going to get a commission for referring a friend to join this site. Okay, so this is how it works. We pay you 9 cedis, 40 cedis, 51 cedis, or 70 cedis per each valid invite. Okay, so let's say you registered with 10 cedis. When you send your link to someone and the person joins the site, you're going to be paid 9 cedis as commission. Okay, and if you registered with 50 cedis too, you're going to get 40 cedis as commission. As well as if it was 100 cedis, you're going to get 51 cedis, and if it was 102 cedis, you get 70 cedis. Okay, so you can see this is how their calculation works. If you invite 10 people, we give you 90 cedis, 400 cedis, 510, or 700 cedis. Okay, so I think this is cool. You can just make money from it. Okay, so let's look at how the registration works. You just come to the site. Just click on the link in the description. So I've leave the link there. So you just click on it and it will bring you to the site. So all you need to do is just click on the register right here. Okay, so after clicking on the register, this is it. So if you're a Ghanaian, you just click on I am a Ghanaian. I am in Ghana. If you're not in Ghana, just click on this one. So we are in Ghana, so you're going to take this one right here. Okay, so this is it. The starter account, that's the 10 cedis, it goes for 2 months. Okay, so your account is going to be active for 2 months, and you have personal account that's for a whole year, there's 50 cedis. Okay, and business account for a whole year too, that's 100 cedis. So I'll advise you, if you are using this for business, you either go for your personal account or the business account. Okay, so let's say I'm going for the starter account. Okay, so I'll just click on the register. Okay, so here is how everything works. Okay, you'll be given this form, but I'll advise you to scroll down to this place. Okay, so let's say the registration fee is 10 cedis for the starter account. Okay, so you need to make payment first. Okay, so you're going to send, if you're using MTN, just send it to this number right here. Okay, and I'll leave all the numbers in the description too as well. So if you're using the Tigo, you can just use this one, and if you are using Vodafone, you can use their number. The name is OSEI. Okay, the name is OSEI. So all you need to do is, if you are going for the starter account, you send 10 Ghana cedis to this number, and then after that you write somewhere the transaction ID. Okay, so you write the transaction ID, and then after that you come back and click on the link in the description of this video, and then you come and fill in your details. Okay, so let's say I am filling in my details. So my name is always Shrimpong. Username, you can choose what you won't forget. Okay, so just let me combine my name right here. Okay, choose your phone number. Let me go with this one. And then a valid Gmail. Please provide a valid Gmail because it will be used to update you on certain things. Okay, so you confirm your Gmail as well. And user of who invited you, please kindly enter Elvis Shrimpong. Okay, I am sure it will be there automatically, but if it is not there, kindly enter this name for me. Okay, all right, so that you get some commission on that, and also do get same. Okay, so when you scroll down here, the message you got after sending your money to their number. Okay, this is their agent's number. So the money, the message you get, you see transaction ID. If it is Vodafone, it starts with 0000 and then some numbers. Okay, so with that you write down the transaction ID, or you copy it and then come and paste it in this section right here where there's enter transaction ID. Please kindly enter it correctly to avoid delaying of the account verification. Okay, so if it is Vodafone, kindly ignore the 000s and then just enter the numbers there. Okay, so after that you just choose a password, blah 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 blah. You confirm the password right here, and then you check this box that's I understand and accept the terms, and then you click on the create account. So after that, your this one is going to be sent to them, and they will send you a Gmail. Okay, so within some few hours, let's say 2 hours, you are going to receive a message saying your account has been verified. Okay, so once you receive that Gmail, come back to the site and click on this login app here. Okay, so when you click on the login right here, we are going to log into our account. Okay, I already have an account and I created this account last 30 days, and let's see what I have inside right now. Okay, so this is how the dashboard looks like after being approved on the site. Okay, so once your account has been approved, you're going to see this dashboard the next time you log in. Okay, so this is how everything works. Okay, so all you need to do is you copy this. You can see there's referral link right here. Okay, so you just click on it and copy. Okay, so you can see when I clicked on it, this referral link was copied. Okay, so all you need to do is just send the referral link to either Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, wherever you want to share it, and then write something nice about it. Okay, so that people are going to follow your link and register. So with that, after sharing the link, everyone who clicks on the link and signs up to this site, you are going to earn commission on that. Okay, depending on the amount you paid for the registration. Okay, so let's say I registered with 10 cities. Whoever signs up with my link, I'm going to get 9 cities commission. Okay, and if I sign up with 50 cities, I'll get 40 cities commission. Okay, so you can see this is my total earnings right here. This is just 3 days. Okay, this is just 3 days, and I've already withdrawn 63 Ghana cedis. And okay, I think this new one is just this morning. Okay, so I'll place a live withdrawal for you to see, so that you know everything is working. So with the referral, all you need to do is just confirm, just fill in the details, the number you want to receive the money on, and after that you just request payment. Okay, so I'm going to enter my phone number right here. I confirm the number again, and then the name used to register the SIM. Okay, used in the registration. So okay, so after that you just select it. So let's say I'm using MTN, so I'll go for MTN and cross check if everything is okay. then you click on request for payment. Okay, make sure your details are correct because the money is going to be sent to that account. Okay, so I'll request for the payment, and I'll pause this video for the purpose of the withdrawal. So if I receive the money, I'll continue the video. Okay, so you can see, congrats Elvis from home, payment request for 9 cities was successful. You receive payment on your phone in about an hour time. Okay, thank you. Okay, so that's how everything works. This site is really paying, and you can get commissions on that. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I'm waiting for the payment message. Okay, so after that, whenever you place a withdrawal, you're going to receive a message in your Gmail. Okay, so let me open my Gmail straight away for you to see. Okay, so you can see I have payment request initiated successfully. Okay, so dear upon your request to receive your payment, nice, this blah 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 blah. So this is my, so you can see the status is pending. So once I receive this payment, I'll continue this video for you. Okay, so in 2 hours time, I received the alert in my let's say this 1 hour time, I received the alert in my Gmail, and it's saying congrats, payments request from NATIONTON. Okay, so the NATIONTON company has paid me the 9 days I requested to read. Okay, so this is the message right here. You can see cash in received for 9 days from NATIONTON, information blah blah blah. Okay, so this is all about NATIONTON Republic. Okay, so kindly subscribe to the channel and click on the link below so that you will be directed to the site, and you can also start making some money. So you can see the amount has been added to my total pay, and it's now 72 cedis. Okay, so thank you all for watching. Bye.